Hello everyone, this is Cheryl once again from Saladmaster here in Perth. And today is very special because someone is joining me, my very good husband, Tino. Today we're going to show you how to make easy pumpkin curry using our 5-quart bowl. So what are the ingredients? Number 1, 500 grams of pumpkin which we cut into 1-inch cubes, 3 cloves of garlic and half green or red chili, half onion, 1 teaspoon of curry powder and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. I got some curry leaves and mustard seeds. And of course coconut milk, which what I'm gonna do is I am going to separate the water and the milk. So under the can, that's when where the coconut water is. Yeah, that's it. Now what we're going to do is, number 1, put the 500 grams of pumpkin. And then let's put the curry powder and the turmeric powder. Half a teaspoon of salt and a little bit of pepper. That's it. What you want to do is just mix it and just set it aside. Okay, now we're going to use the Saladmaster machine. Babe, can you please use spoon number 2? We're just going to grind all the ingredients except for the coconut milk. The onion, the chili, the garlic, and the curry leaves and the mustard seed. Just grind everything. Okay, now we're ready to cook it. So we're just gonna put all these ingredients that we grind in here, and then we'll put the coconut water. And then let's put some coconut water, or just water if you want to. So no frying of garlic, of onion, and no oil. But it's up to you. But we recommend it this way. And then we'll cook it on medium heat. And then when you hear the clicking, we'll turn it down to low for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then 5 minutes before it's finished, we will put the thick part of the coconut milk. That's it. Very simple. Now when you hear the clicking, just turn it down to low. So 5 minutes before it's finished, just put the coconut milk. And just mix it. Simple and easy. Now after 20 minutes, this is how it looks like. Look at that. There's so much moisture. And that's the very easy pumpkin curry.
Thank you for watching.
And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe on our YouTube channel. Bye!